What is supply chain management? So let's know about supply chain management today and why it is necessary in all the product-based companies in all over the world. So today's video will be gonna all about the supply chain management, why you should study it, where you should study, and which countries and university you should consider. If you are considering for United Kingdom, then you can look for Cardiff University, which is in Wales. Cardiff University has a very good course about supply chain, sustainable and logistics support, where the tuition fee will be around £27,200 and the eligibility is very simple. You just have to get 2:1, which is equivalent to 65% in your undergraduate. You need to have IELTS 6.5, no less than 6.0 to get an opportunity to join Cardiff University, Wales. After completion of this degree, what is the benefit? Oh yes, you can avail job up to average salary package of 18 to 19 LPA. So let's talk about the next destination, which is France. European countries are always considerable for a good degree. So France, if you are considering, then you can look for Cage Business School, where you will get the course of MSc Supply Chain Management. The course fees will be around 20,000 to 22,000 euros, and the eligibility is around 60% to 65% in undergraduation, and you can give any English language examination. For an example, TOEFL, PT, IELTS, Duolingo. After completion of this course, in your career, you will be getting benefit to avail a salary package of 40,000 euros. Another fantastic option in France will be Neoma Business School. Here you are getting two options, 1 year and 2 year to complete your MSc in Supply Chain Management. If you are having a 4 years degree in your bachelor's, please avail 1 year option. If you are having 3 years degree along with 1 year of experience, then please avail for 2 years option. After completion of this course from Neoma Business School, the employability ratio will be 95%, even more than that. Who can beat the leaders like Germany? So Germany as a country will be one of the best option if you want to study MSc Supply Chain Management. BSBI, which is in Berlin, you can get an option of again 1 year and 2 months. So the whole course will be of 18 months and there is an option for 24 months as well. The fees of MSc Supply Chain Management in BSBI will be around 12,000 to 13,000 euros. They have two intakes, May and September. If you are looking for discount, you have to apply as soon as possible so you can get discount up to 30%. To get eligible for this course, you need to have 60% in your academics and you can give any of the examination, which is IELTS, TOEFL, PT, Duolingo. Let us know about the top companies which will hire after you are having a degree in MSc Supply Chain Management. The companies are Amazon, HCL, IBM, Dell, and so more. So if you want to know more about the course and the eligibility, please do contact Oran EduTech Study Abroad.